Well, we got a pack of doxies there.
Oh.
Let's talk about that.
Well, she's not here.
She's not here.
She'll be back.
Moving on.
So move on to something else.
We'll come back to this table because most of this is Sheldon's and hers. Let's get over here and look at this big guy here, because somebody has taken the time to laminate and put together a lot of stuff, and it looks like a lot of hand carving.
Remind me your name. Yeah, I'm Ben for everyone I haven't gotten the chance to meet yet. This was what I wanted to spend a lot of time on for a little bit. I saw it on Pinterest, so I thought I could do it.
Well, you did it.
I did it, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I made the top slab and the bottom slab, just a few dominoes holding them together, and then cut out a bunch of, biscuits. I glued them together one layer at a time, did the top half and the bottom half, and did a rough carve, so I didn't have to be inside the table as much as I could avoid it. Glued the house together, annoyed my neighbors a lot with my angle grinder.
Attaboy.
Yeah.
It's like one of those chainsaw blade type
No, it's with my angle grinder. I bought the bits.
Like that?
Everyone always asks. So I have a rough cut one, which is really only good for convex shapes, and then I have the finer one, which works for concave as well.
How hard was that to use?
It was
did it want to get away from you?
No. The angle grinder was surprisingly easy.
Is that all the same type of wood?
Yeah, it's all cherry. I think it's kind of fun how like the grain looks so different.
Yeah, you can see the differences. It's really pretty.
Yeah, so turned out really cool. I think I still need some sanding and some finishing work on it. The oil didn't come out super smooth, but I don't know. It's fun.
Leave it in the sun for a couple hours and it'll be the same color.
But yeah, I don't know. It was just
looks great.
Yeah, just threw in my audiobook, put on my face shield, and went crazy.
Oh, nuts.
Yeah.
How long did it take you?
Probably like 6 hours of carving over like a few different days.
It's not bad.
No, then like a few hours of sanding and all that stuff. But,
Of course, yeah.
How much material did you start with? How much did it take off?
I don't remember. I remember how much all it would cost. I don't remember how many board feet it was, but
How much did it cost?
it was $300 in cherry,
About $7 a board foot.
something like that. Yeah, 8 quarters, so I didn't have to glue up as many layers.
Tom has lumber.
How did you clamp it?
I got a bunch of weights, like weightlifting stuff in my garage.
Yeah,
so
works.
So I just piled it on top of each other.
Gravity's a wonderful thing.
Yeah.
And you just did one at a time.
Yeah, one layer at a time. So it would be like 3 biscuits at a time, and just went from there. It was fun. I think someone was in here when I cut it out, all the biscuits in here, and stacked it up, and it didn't look very nice, when it's not carved at all. But
Well, they never look good at the start.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it's really good, man.
Any other questions?
That is really pretty.
It's like every time you look at it from a different angle, I see a different table. So
I discovered the downside of this is it doesn't look as good on the ground because you can't see the details.
Can you
Maybe
use
you
the
make a
bottom as
table
the
to
top?
put the table
Is it
on top of.
reversible?
Yeah, I mean, I'm guessing it could be reversible. The finish is better on the top.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
it's great no matter how you look at it. It's like it's a whole different experience
I
from
can see
different
that being a
angles.
really nice little coffee table.
Yeah, I'm excited about it. Everyone who I sent pictures of it was like, it looks like the delicate arch down in Moab. And I was like, it does.
Oh yeah,
That was my thought.
It does.
Yeah, that was on accident, but it works out.
Hey, happy accidents.
Yeah.
It's a way to live. Any questions? Well, it looks like the Doxy mom came back.
I was trying to give him directions.
You want to talk about your Doxos?
You're up.
No.
Alright, well I'm Shemaine, and I'm a member here since last September. I made this dog. Outside this wrecked bottom shim thing. It was holding it. And then I also made this one, and then Sheldon helped to make more for the farmers markets and stuff, and he built the rest of them. So he had more time than me this time.
So,
And then,
were you cutting them out on the bandsaw?
yes. The bandsaw is my favorite. So these are made of walnut, and this one is that oak? White oak. These two are white oak as well, but they're a different shade. And then this is also black walnut. And then we finished them all with breeze wood butter as well. So that's really popular. Yeah, we're big fans of breeze wood butter. And then I'm showing this little cat I made for my daughter for Christmas again, because I'll be making a bunch more for the Maker's Market that we're doing on the 30th. And I will have them for sale. And also the dogs. And then Sheldon, you want to talk about your stuff?
Yeah, here.
Yeah, let's
Switch
get
me.
Sheldon up here.
So, did anybody sneak in that's never been to Sawdust Session before? Are we all still?
Couple people.
Couple people?
Spencer's new.
Oh yeah. So,
He's my brother.
Hi, Spencer.
so all these cutting boards. Last year, both trailer times in April and in October, we got a bunch of stuff, and I knew the April one was coming up this year, and so we went to the storage unit and I just cleaned out all the sticks, all the stuff like less than 2 inches and less, and I just started gluing stuff together.